Hello, welcome to today's video. Another early morning, but about an hour later than yesterday. It's almost, I think, 5:45. I had a really hard time waking up, but we're gonna pack up and go clam digging again today. The clam tide's at 6:41, so we're gonna try to get there. Nope, it's at 7:41. We're gonna try to get there by like 6:45 while the tide's going out, so then that way hopefully the clam digging goes good. We're going to Twin Harbors today. I prefer Mo Clips. There's only one time that we went to Mo Clips and didn't do well. But Twin Harbors is a lot closer, about 45 minutes closer to our house. So Twin Harbors today, and then after clam digging, Cody wants to go fish off the jetty in Westport. So come along for that. Hopefully we can make an interesting video. Let's do it. You ready to go clam digging, bub? Bubby. Houston, you ready to go clam digging? He's out. Houston, you ready to go clam digging, baby? You ready to go clam digging? Oh, the big stretch. You ready to go clam digging? Yeah. You ready? We can go clam digging. Okay. We have so much fun, huh?
And then we're gotta go back to our car.
Yep, and then we're gonna go fishing. And it's a tiny guy. I feel like I've been going that deep though. Exercise. You look fast. Haha.
One right here, one right there.
I can't believe that was.
Your problem?
Yeah. Crack this guy a little bit.
There was another couple that bumped me over.
You grab this one for me? It's broken a lot.
Huh?
I don't like touching them a whole lot. It was broken. The flesh of them kind of freaked me out, you know? Alright, we limited out pretty quick, and then we came into Westport, mostly to use the restroom, but then we walked around the pier. Bubs got some candies because we need some persuasion. He's tired. He was really tired. But we were walking around, and there was like a table. I was like, oh, what's that? Westport every year has a crab derby. I believe it's been going on since like 1999, I think. I don't know. It's on a sweatshirt. We got Bubs a sweatshirt. It looks pretty cute. But,
I just got Bubs candy.
awesome. You're doing a great job.
I'm doing it all the time.
Awesome. But when we were buying him the sweatshirt, the lady was like, oh, and be looking for these crabs that are hidden around. And so I was looking for the crab thing, because if you found a crab, then you can exchange it for a float. And my mom's been trying to get a float for forever, so I was hoping to find one to like surprise her. But then I found these little crab, I showed videos of them. I found like 3 of them, like, no freaking way. I thought it was that easy. Silly me. But, just talking to my camera, people walking by. But, we went back and was like, is this what you're talking about? And she's like, no, a little girl hid those last night or this morning or something. I was like, oh man, dang it. Should have known. Not that lucky. But, I mean, those pendants, little things, I don't know what they're called. Bubs will play with them and he'll love them. And yeah, but anyway, Cody's in a fishing store right now, and then we're gonna go to a jetty in Westport and try to do some rock fishing and some bottom fishing. So we'll see how that goes, but that's just a little update of what's going on. So yeah, and Bubs is back there enjoying his Pez. Are you having a great time? Making a mess, but we'll clean it up later. Anyway, we will show you some fishing here soon. Great job.
We're doing it.
Wow. We didn't catch anything fishing off of the jetty, and honestly we didn't try that hard, mostly because Houston was just too active for that area, for that scenario. While I love him, you know, climbing, exploring, and like doing dangerous things carefully, it was kind of hard to enjoy the fishing while also having to watch him. So we'll be back, he'll be back, but it wasn't, I don't know. I was just like, I told Cody, I was like, you mind if we go walk and we'll come back and help you get the stuff out of here? It was just making me so nervous with him on the rocks. And then also like being on the rocks, like if he was climbing and playing, that's one thing. If he were to fall, there would be no way for me to catch him. Just, you know, there just wasn't any way. It was just stressful. So anyway, dropped Cody in Houston off. I'm now in my car. While we were on our way home, I was looking at Marketplace and I saw this deal for a John Deere electric ride-on kids tractor thing, and usually they sell for like $250, $300. This guy in Kirkland is selling it for 120. And I was like, oh, this is too good. This is too good to be true. So I shot him a message, and I was like, is this still available? My son would love this. His birthday's coming up, and he's like, yep, it's still available. And then he's like, I'll throw in this quad for another 40 bucks. And I was like, I was just about to buy something electric, a ride-on Power Wheel toy, brand new from Amazon for like 160, and this is like 2 for the price of 1. So pretty stoked. Going to pick it up right now. The tricky part is going to be hiding it for 3 weeks while because Houston's birthday is in about 3 weeks. So I'm excited, but Kirkland is about 2 hours north from us, so I'll be driving to Kirkland, which is gross, but this deal is just too good to pass up. I mean, it just is. While I'm spending a little extra money in gas, ultimately I think it's worth it. So yeah, I'll be driving. I'll probably miss our friends for dinner, but that's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna drive, so I'll show you some cute scenery maybe. I don't think you saw it, but Mount Rainier's big and beautiful. But there's there's a tractor and there's a quad. I think we're gonna surprise him with one of them tonight and then save one for his birthday. Call it bad parenting, but he's been awesome, so I think he deserves a little fun before his birthday. But it was a great deal. The guy was super nice and got 3 extra batteries, so I'm excited for all the fun that Houston will have on those things. I'm surprised that he's walking on all those sticks. Oh, you're just parking? You're pretty good at parking.
Now I'm coming out. Right on the ATV.
Let's see it. I really like that one.
The quad?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is neat.
You gotta go forward.
Aha, I got it.
You got any business ideas?
Alright, well, home now. Houston loves his ATV and his tractor. It was a lot of driving, but I think it was worth it. At least, I think. I don't know. This quad, I've seen people were trying to sell it for like 75 bucks in the condition, like relatively same to what it is. And the tractor, you know, people are always trying to sell that for like at least 100 bucks. Paid 160, little steep considering like some of the tread on the tires are not the best, and one of the tractor tires is like cracked in half, but I think we're planning on putting rubber on the back tires at least, just for more traction, because we have a lot of rocks and dirt and whatnot. So, what's up?
This means ATV.
Alrighty, but he gave us 3 spare batteries, so there's 5 batteries in total, and Bubs is loving them, so I think it's worth it. But yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna put the camera up and maybe edit, or maybe just save this video for, you know, give a space day. I don't know yet. But actually I'll probably edit it because I don't like having stuff waiting to be edited, but not that you guys care. Anyway, yeah, so thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Have a great day, everybody.